Kani kalaja hakapor kumbakhat wai tami ai menstep kat baki pulit kidang daerah Syakashiri u Chief Judicial Magistrate ya arpungot ki koidi hakabakhat sanut ki pulit kila perking ya kacing pahra hapo kacing alam jong udike prasad PIO ya une u koidi belatip keteng ku musuri shitri live connection karta ula siat kuli haki pulit nak khajat kadiang haki arngut ki pulit ki balak thong ya u ban ki balayo khang kedong hajan ko office jong ko All India Radio Shillong ong ba VXM SPCT East Kasils une uhe pulit ulai thu ba armut ki pulit ki lahap thong ye une koidi ubala phet bak na phalaw ka kashri ba siat penteng sasun kumba shipho kuli e kum ga jingma ha mu de pendam ya ladi uba vivek ulai thu bawat habala siat kuli sasun ban penma ya u henry uchetri anda poi hajan office ka All India Radio Shillong ula persang pen ibor ye kini pulit dak batam do wai umau ba umat pen kawang iki harin kani ya une koidi bala pen Mynsaw la pen kit no civil hospital Shillong banyo jing sumar uba vivek uyathu ba unri chitri na do pon mestep ulale menne kumba upang utulat syaban rayu bat yaki arpu prangut ki weipat ki koidi bantian bisar hakashri habakali hatu uni koidi udain em uba judan benta hikam runar USP uyathu ba uchetri udai urunar uba judan kti hikam tu kam thiem bat prong im riu ulai thu ru ba uchetri ula syakem ningkong haus nem azal khandai halor ka jingdon ka ma ki kam lute ka ba aru ula syakem biang hau risau jong snem baladep namar ka jingdon kti ha kam prong yeng bat adeng ni ula syakem biang hau no pra jong snem baladep namar ka jingdon kti ha ki kam tu kam thim nakaliang USP ula airu ka jingero ikini ki arngut ka pulit halor ka jingpen hok jong ki ya ki kam ram bala bensiat aki.
Between 11:15 to 11:30 one UTP was brought from jail to be produced in CGM's court, and he was escorted by about 15 people. Yeah, and 28 UTPs were brought. When he was brought to the court premises, he escaped and ran towards All India Radio. His name is Suresh Chitri, age 39 years. He's a resident of Oakland, Shillong. He's been involved in 3 cases. The first case was in 2009, where he was involved for robbery. Second case in October last year for burglary, and again last year in December for theft. 3 cases registered, 2 cases in Sarar police station and 1 case in Rinja. As he ran today and as he escaped and as he reached All India Radio, 2 personnel who were behind him, who were giving chase to him, tried to stop him out there in All India Radio, but then he tried to assault them by lifting a stone and lifting a big stone and trying to throw it on one of them. So one of the guards out there fired blank shots in the air, yet he did not put down the stone, and to overcome him, he was shot on his leg.